So we are headed into Epic for the grand celebration. They have all these places to stop over here and get a photo. Let's go explore the park. I'm excited for the fireworks celebration later tonight. Hello, hello.
Celestial Park.
Hello.
Biggest night in Celestial history. Come forward.
Hello.
Celestial Park.
Thanks for having us
Today.
Thank you. Hello. Thank you, thank you. Hello, good evening.
Made it. Have a good one.
Oh, oh, hey, there was our tour guide. Hey, she was awesome. So I've been exploring this place for the last few days, and it not only has some pretty epic rides, but it's just very well built. I plan to upload some different videos checking out the different worlds here, like How to Train Your Dragon's Isle of Berk, Super Nintendo World, their Dark Universe, and their world dedicated to all things Harry Potter. So I think the first place we're gonna go to is Isle of Berk. We're gonna see if we can hop onto Hiccup's wing gliders. I think we'll be able to ride on the wing gliders. I don't see too many people on it at the moment. As I've traveled inside all of the different portals over the last few days, I think this might be one of my favorite of all of them. We have arrived. I think we should be able to get right on. You can see them loading up down below. Here's how the launch is like. I am so glad that I rode that. That might be my favorite ride here at Epic Universe. I know some other people might like a more thrilling ride in the Stardust Racers over there. That's not my cup of tea, but this thing was. It was a lot of fun, and I was just laughing and enjoying that. That was just so much fun. Highly recommend Hiccup's wing gliders. So we've been inside Epic Universe for a little bit. We've been walking around some of our favorite places, grabbing some dinner. We even jumped on a ride. I really liked Hiccup's wing glider. I just wanted to show you, they are working on the drones here in front of the Helios Grand Hotel. So in just a little bit, you'll be able to watch what they're working on with the grand opening celebration fireworks and drone show here at Epic Universe. So I actually had lunch here at the Blue Dragon earlier today, and they have so much enthusiasm. Hello, hello. So I'm not coming in here to eat. I just wanted to walk through that because they are excited. Excitement is in the air for the grand opening celebration. All right. All right, I'm gonna keep walking around. We've been exploring the Isle of Berk, and I wanted to show you this ice sculpture they have in front of the meat hall, and they're actually serving some of the things from meat hall. Okay, I came up to their meat hall and they have these chocolate drumsticks. I have to try one of these.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, thank you so much. This is so fun. Let me give it a quick try before it melts. I don't know exactly what's in it. This is really good, but it's a lot. I think I have to let it go. But we're gonna work our way over towards the fireworks in a little bit. Are you guys excited for fireworks and drones tonight?
What?
We like fire. I like that word.
Is there gonna be fire?
Oh, are we gonna start it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I don't.
Where do you want? Where do you want the fire? The work of fire to be?
Might have to check with Hiccup. I don't have all the specifics.
Let us light anything on fire.
Is this a party pooper?
Well, whatever he says is what you got to do. I don't know what to tell you.
Well, that's not.
Yeah, that's
Come
not late.
Can't you like throw your weight into it and be like, hey, make them do this?
I don't have any.
Light something on fire.
Come on.
Maybe Stoic can do something. I don't know. You might have to see him.
From where? Valhalla?
I don't know.
No, it's dead.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't
You didn't know?
caught up with all the movies.
Do you want to cry into his
I'm
jersey?
sorry.
You cried in my
You're right.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all coming back to me now. I'm so
Oh.
sorry.
You want to?
I'm sorry. I forgot. I forgot.
It's all right.
I saw the first one, and the second one's vague. So
From what?
movie,
Work.
documentary.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Okay. You all right?
All right. Well, good to see you guys. Have a good night.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
No.
Sorry.
So we've been exploring, but I gotta let you listen to some of this beautiful music real quick. So we spent some time going around Epic Universe, have had a great night. We're relaxing in front of the fountains right now, getting ready for the grand opening celebration to begin. While we're waiting for the drone show and fireworks to start, we noticed that there are beams of light coming from each of the 5 portals meeting up in the middle, which is really, really cool little touch.
Good evening. I'm Mark Woodbury, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Universal Destinations and Experiences. On behalf of our entire organization, it is my honor to welcome you to Universal Epic Universe. This moment marks a significant milestone in our company's journey to redefine the theme park experience for our global audience and for generations of families to come. What you have seen, felt, and experienced tonight is a product of the immense creative talent, technical prowess, and operational excellence of all of our incredibly dedicated teams at Universal Destinations and Experiences. To all involved, I want to extend our heartfelt gratitude. Now it is my pleasure to introduce my good friend and our creative consultant, Steven Spielberg.
Mark, thank you. In each of us lies the desire to explore new worlds in search of adventure, joy, discovery, and even to face our fears. Through amazing stories and unforgettable characters, we are introduced to these incredible worlds we only dare imagine, and in the process, we discover the hero in ourselves. Universal Epic Universe has brought those worlds to life. All the sights, sounds, and feelings you've come to love in a way that can only be described as epic.
Thank you for joining us. This memorable evening would not have been complete without you. We hope that the memories of tonight's celebration will stay with you until your next epic adventure.
It may be an overused term, but I'm going to use it anyway. That was epic. I'm very thankful to be here. Hope you guys have enjoyed what you've watched as you've come along with us for the grand opening celebration, drone show, fireworks. So I'll put up some more epic content very soon. When I do, it will be down in the pinned comment. If you've enjoyed this video, simply like it before you leave. And until next time, I'll see you on the next epic adventure.